All right, everybody, we're up here today doing a big price reduction property. Very unique, very beautiful. So follow along. I'll walk you through this house up here in Alta, California. Street view here because it's on 4.3 acres. Not sure if you can tell in the background, but it's only a couple minutes off the freeway. Freeway noise is not all that bad because there's so many trees in between you and the freeway. It's not that close, but you're close to the freeway, so you're not going to get too buried back in here. So this is that lower barn I was talking about. Garage, detached, shop. You got additional parking down here. This is all paved. Again, big trees, mountain living. 4.3 acres, 599,000 is the current price on this, 599.9. Again, this is a piece of history. This house was built in 1865 by the, I may be pronouncing it wrong, Towle family. They are who founded this area, if I remember correctly. I'm going to do a mini history lesson here based off of what I've been told. They owned I believe it was a logging company. There's the house. And they kind of built this whole town here of Crystal Springs, which is not much of a town anymore. And this was their house. There's only been 2 owners. This house is very historic, very well kept. There is some furniture inside that is of historic value that's going to go with the house. Since I'm out here, I'll show you this little upper yard area here. Great mountain house for sitting, relaxing, enjoying. There you go. So 4.3 acres, 599.9, built in 1865. This house is 870 square feet, 3 bed, 3 bath. A lot of the woodwork up here, because of the age it's built, it's probably done more by hand. As far as the decorative nature, I'm going to walk around to the front of the house really quick. And go down here. I don't know if this will work very well. But there's the front of the house there looking out, and we'll head up onto this deck here. And I'll show you guys around the inside here shortly. House is solid. They don't build them like this anymore. There's that front door. Everything in here is about as original as it can get. There's the door handles. A lot of single pane glass, hand blown with imperfections. That's looking off the front deck there. This big wraparound deck, black and white features, which is very in. And I'm gonna take, look at this. We'll even do the old doorbell. Look at this thing. It's a crank doorbell. So here we go. 2,870 square feet, 1865. Lots of original building pieces, lots of antique furniture, some of which can be included in a sale. And if you're looking for a vacation house, this is only about 30 minutes, 40 minutes tops. I would say 30 to Boreal and Sugar Bowl ski resorts. Real quick jump up the hill right there. If you're looking for somewhere to stay, maybe you want to Airbnb it when you're not using it. Here's one of the bathrooms here. And then we got this cool room that was probably added on at some point in time. You could almost just, there is a spa in here. Look at this staircase here, all hand carved, and it'll take you up to this little loft bedroom area. And go back down and hold the camera without falling off the stairway. So here we are. This is a little, I would call it a bonus room. It's got its own fireplace. It's got a sauna in here. There's no water in it right now, but I'm supposing there could be. So there you go. Let's go back down in here through the kitchen. Kitchen's nicely set up. We came in a door right there, just to give you an idea of where we're at. Fridge, this cool little dining room. Look at this, just surrounded by windows. Up in the mountains, having your coffee, drinking your wine, chatting with your friends. It's got a gas cooktop right there. So again, not everything is 1865 here. We got modern day appliances. That is not an 1865 microwave. So you got that going for you. We got a pantry in here. We got a laundry room for those needs. That door leads to the backyard, which we'll go out in a little bit. These floors, I am pretty confident, are original wood floors from over 100 years ago. Here's that front door. We walked out on that deck right there, but that comes in right here. Staircase going up, which is amazing. Here's your living. I'd call this more of a formal living right here. Big fireplace. These little alcoves cut out right here. And go over here. We got bathroom 2 with the upper tank detached from the toilet bowl. That old look there goes with the house. Here's a bedroom with a ladder up to not really a bedroom loft. Maybe it could be. Let's go see what we find. Or not. I don't want to climb up that ladder right now. This door goes outside. There's the wraparound deck. A little bit of the side yard over here. And back out into the formal. That looks through to the door we came in. Got an old, maybe not player piano right there. Just an old piano. Goes with the house. It all goes with the house. All right, we're gonna head upstairs, tour up there, and then we will go see the backyard. I'll slow down here so you can look down into the living room, all the way around, front door, dining, kitchen. That's from the landing halfway up the stairs. We'll go the rest of the way up here. And we got more living. So look, you come to the top of the stairs, got this great little sitting area, bookshelves all built in. It's got this little back patio on the second floor. You can walk out here, maybe sit here and have your coffee or drink your wine and read a book. There's a backyard. Play a little cornhole down there maybe. And then that's the driveway we originally walked up. This is the roof to the bonus room, just to give you an idea of where we're at. So we'll go back in here. Here's that sitting room, which is way cool. Here's bedroom, what are we at, 3? If you want to call that bonus room a bedroom. If not, it's bedroom 2. Again, with these classic kind of alcove areas with the desk. There we are here. Nice size closets. I guess since I brought it up, I'll open it while we're at it. There's the driveway. So there you go. Nice size closets. Look at that dress. Goes with the house. Doesn't really come with the house. I'm just saying style wise, it goes with the house. You got more storage in here. And let's head out this way. And this is the master. So here we got bedroom 3. Could be 4 with that bonus room. There you go. Look at this. Very classic setup. Freestanding tubs are back in. This house had it before it was trendy. That looks down into the backyard. You got your single sink there. Big walk-in closet. I mean, I guess it's all relative, but for this house, for the year built, nice size. This bedroom's quite large. Plenty of space. Looks out onto the side yard here. Looks out onto the front yard here. Bedroom. And then this right here is actually a little sitting area that looks out back down the stairway. So it's not really part of the bedroom. You could door it off. You could use this for a little office, a little reading area. But there's where we came up the stairs right there. And then we went back around through the master. So there you are looking down. And up. And back into the master. So a lot of space, not too cut up for its age. Some of the houses like this, you see just an abundance of walls and rooms. This one is not bad. Like I said, 1865, very historic house. Alta, California, $599.9. We just had a big price reduction. 4.3 acres, so big lot, privacy. Not far off the freeway at all, couple minutes. You can jump on 80 and be skiing in a half hour. You can be at Lake Tahoe in probably about 45 minutes, standing on the shore. You could do a lot from right here. You know, maybe it would make a good Airbnb. Maybe you want a second home. The second owner that currently owns it, second owner ever, lived here for decades. So, I mean, you could live here full time. It's not only a vacation area. So, call me, text me, pigeons, smoke signals, whatever you got. Get in touch with me if you want to come up here and see this house for yourself. If this is something that interests you, that you're thinking about buying, if you have questions about financing a second home, how it all works, selling and then buying, these are all questions we get all the time. Give me a call. I'm happy to answer them. You guys can reach me. Mark at realtorlocal.com or 916-741-9843. Again, this is 34227 East Towle Road, Alta, California. $599.9 is the price. 2,870 square feet, built in 1865. A lot of historic furniture in there. Can be negotiated with the house, and probably should stay with the house because of just this history connection between the two. Give me a call. Have a great day.